What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna do another tech unboxing. Yes, it's been a long time I not do a box unboxing. So here is a new unboxing. Hello, sorry if I have to stop that video. I'm here to tell you, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell, because you will notice when the new video will show up, or notice when I upload any single video. Don't forget to comment in the comment below. If you have something to say, just comment down in the comment below. Don't forget to share my video to anyone else. And yeah, I guess that's probably it. And back to the video. So today test unboxing is here is a new tripod. You remember my old tripod, the big tripod that I always use? This is the new tripod. And you remember the another tripod, the small tripod that I always use? Now this is a brand new one. This is Ulanzi. Yes, Ulanzi TM-44. You guys can see, right? You guys can see it clearly, but MT-44 over there. T-44. Okay, so sorry if the box is a little bit dent. It's because from the packaging, so I don't mind that. If you can see here, we got all the tripod at the front. We got the Ulanzi company logo, name, title over here, the tripod. So the name down here, MT-44. So in the next section, we got just a Chinese words that I cannot read. I don't know Chinese, right? Maybe. But down there it says video accessories. So I guess that's probably what that spells. So up top you can see Ulanzi name, the brand Ulanzi. And next in the sideways you can see extendable, scalable, and 33 centimeter, like this logo. You can see here, if you can see it. I don't know you guys can see it or not. Never mind, I will take a photo and put the other side. I will put it. Okay, at the back you can see here they got tripod and how it would putting with the camera, and here you can have a website and barcode. So that's it all. But the box is all white. Actually the bottom has the same thing. It says its name, Ulanzi. So yeah, so we don't want to chit chat long. Let's just open the box. It's really hard to open the box, so I already tested, so don't mind me. So here's the box. It's empty again. Throw it away. So this we got in the plastic. So let's take it on. I'm gonna put under my table. So first thing first, what we get in the plastic? Plastic empty. So first thing first, we got a manual book that don't tell us anything that we know. We just watching pictures how to use the goddamn tripod. So no biggie. And think this is Ulanzi, right? Verified. I don't know what this is. Just I can put it like that. The camera is so bright. the ring light is so bright. Maybe. Yeah. We don't want to chit chat long. Let's go to the main event itself. Tripod time. So this is Ulanzi MT-44. Yes, you got his name over here. If you can see here, over there. So here's is a brand new tripod that I just purchased. So it's easy, simple. You just turn the knot here to move this camera, what call it, clamp. or whatever and lock it in place. So you're gonna stuck like that. So why I buy this tripod? Because my old tripod is big, it's too much. It take a lot of room every time I try to make a live stream or unboxing or something. It take a lot of space. Like over here, it take all of this space. So I have to move all the way over here. You remember my last live stream that I built Gampla? I hope this tripod can do better job than that one. So yeah, in this tripod you got your camera mount up top. It came with two built-in clamp thing, 2-in-1, you can say like that. So well, is it 2-in-1? Because this tripod can mount your phone. You can see here, you can put your phone. I don't have my phone here, so pretend this is my phone. You can put your phone here, same as camera. Okay, pretend this is a camera. So this is the camera, how it look like. So yeah, and that's probably it for the phone mount thingy. Let me. Okay, the tripod also can do is become a monopod to take a selfie. Take a selfie. Cheese. Yep. Yeah. But I purchased this. I don't purchase the remote, so I don't have the remote. Don't use the remote anyway. So how we open the tripod exactly is pretty simple. Just turn this red thing. This is a screw or something, a nut, screw or whatever. Just turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Turn to open the lock, and you already opened the lock. Just open this. You can see here. Open this. Open. Okay. Now we open all of it. Time to like that. So if you open like this, just lock it in place. Okay, you lock in place. So now I'm gonna extend this. Bump my camera a bunch of time because this is really annoying to do actually. Okay, if you guys can see, I will put right over here if you can see. Alright, you can see here how it goes over here, right? You can see here, you still can see, right? See the camera, if I use my old tripod, it's gonna push me all the way over here, but this one is just tiny and not take a lot of space. Because why? The bottom one, his feet is just like this, a little bit light, so it not take a lot of space. So yeah, I guess that's probably it for the MT-44 review. I guess there's not much to show you guys, but yeah, I guess that's probably it. And don't forget to lock it in place. Alright. Okay. Need to. Again, lock it in place. So this is tripod Ulanzi MT-44 unboxing and review. I already show you guys everything. So yeah, okay, I guess that's probably it for today's video. If you're new here, if you find my video, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell for daily video I upload every single day, I guess. And don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment below. And yeah, and don't forget to share my video to anyone who really needs some information. I will do anything to do. So as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.